In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Bose headphones. These are the 700 noise canceling in the limited edition white and gold color scheme. I've been using the Audio-Technica ATH M50s for about 6 years now, I think off the recommendation of Marquez from MKB HD, and they are super convenient. They sound fantastic, and they've been through a lot. As you can see, I took these on a ton of video shoots, but I'm really just filming this video to test the autofocus capabilities on the Canon SL3 that I picked up yesterday with this Samsung Q2U microphone. So let's open up the box and see what we have. On the sides, we just pull this tab here. So we're going to pull that there, pull on the other side, and packaging is pretty nice, as it should be for $400 over-the-ear headphones. Ooh, we get a nice semi-hard carrying case and a start here guide. So let's hop into the case now. We're going to unzip it. You can see it's got a nice pull tab. I really actually do care about the pull tabs. This looks like leather, a little leatherette type fabric. Ooh, and these look good. Take a look at that. Very nice color combo. So it's kind of a rose gold type color, I'd say, on the gold band up here. They feel decent. This doesn't feel like metal, actually. It feels like plastic, but they do seem that they're going to be very comfortable with the padded kind of overlay going all the way around. Even over here it's padded. You got your right headphone right here. Then you got your left, so that way you know you have the correct stereo sound on each side. And then we have a charging port down at the bottom here. So that is USB-C, I believe. We have a microphone down there, 3.5mm or 2.5mm jack rather. So you can plug in these headphones and make them wired if you want to use them to monitor audio when recording, maybe with a microphone or with a DSLR mirrorless camera. And they look good. All right, so those are the headphones. So we have a 2.5mm to 3.5mm cable. You can see this is the smaller side here. So that is the 2.5mm portion right there. So that goes into the headphones, right into this slot. There you go. So that's the 2.5mm slot. And then you have the 3.5mm end of the cable, and this can go into any device that you'd be using regularly. And then we have a USB type A, so regular computer USB to USB-C cable. That's right here. And that is the Bose 700 headphones. So I'm going to try them on. Let's make sure I put the right ear here, left ear. So I think they look pretty good. There's a good amount of sound deadening already happening just by the size of the cups and the way they cover your entire ear. So they're not on ear, they're over the ear. They cover the ear completely. And I can hear myself a lot. You can push in, it kind of creates this suction, almost vacuum around your ears. And then I'm sure once I turn them on after they get charged with the noise canceling, I'm not going to be able to hear a thing, maybe not even my own thoughts, and that'd be nice.